Hi viewers, welcome to Amma Kutur Muchetlu. In today's episode, I am going to show you the Kuppadam sarees. These are very beautiful sarees. This one is blue with red combination. It is a very pretty red and heavy brocade pallu and also blouse with red color. And this is the dark bottle green with yellow border. This is the trending color now. These are actually silk cotton sarees with pure silk borders. These fabric made up of silk by cotton. This is a very beautiful combination with the rich zari pallu and contrast blouse, green pallu and green blouse. All over small booties. These sarees are having all traditional kanchi style weaving with rich zari weaving pallu. This fabric contains 60% of silk and 40% of cotton in the body. Border is made by pure silk. It's a wonderful combination, green with red. Traditionally woven kanchi zari border. It's a blue with classic red border and pallu. This is also beautiful color, violet with green. Small booties running all over body. This is a brown with yellow color. It's a unique color and it is also trending now with rich yellow pallu. All these are pure handloom sarees, so official and so good looking. Hope you all like these sarees. To order any saree, please contact the number given in description.